Hello dear, welcome to my channel Easy Learning. In today's video I am going to teach you a wonderful trick where you can write the tables from 11 to 100 in a very short period of time. It's a very common problem in mathematics that few children are not able to memorize the tables. So let's begin how you can write the tables. So to begin with the table of 11. Table of 11. Now we have 1 at 1's place and 1 again have 10's place. So we will write the table of 1 and again here we will write the table of 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and this 10. Here again we write the table of 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now if you combine it, what we are getting 11, 22, 33, you are getting 44, 11 5s are 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. Now here we have two digit number, right? So what we have to do, we have to add this tens place digit here. This is going to be the same method in all the tables till 100. What we have to do, we are getting two digit number here. So from here the tens digit you will be adding on this side. So 10 plus 1 becomes 11 and this 0 as it is the table of 11. Now let's see the table of 12. Table of 12. So here you have 1 and here you have 2. So the table of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now we will write the table of 2. 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. So now we are getting two digit numbers from 10 to 20. We will use the same approach that we have to add it on the other number. So from here if you see you get 12 ones are 12, then this is 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48. Now here if you add this one here, that becomes 60. Add this one here, this becomes 72. Add this one with this, you get 8 and this 4 as it is. Add this one here, 8 plus 1, 9, 6 as it is. Add this one here gives you 108. Add this 2 here gives you 120. So you see it's so simple to write any of the table. Let's see the next. Table of 13. So we are going to use this trick only. I will be explaining you few tables and you will be surprised to see how easy it is. From here one table and then the table of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 6, 3 threes are 9, 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27 and then 3 10s are 30. This is 3 9s are 27. Now to begin with the same trick, this gives you 13, then 26, 13 3s are 39. Now you have to add this one here, 4 plus 1 becomes 5, 2 as it is. Add this 5 here, 5 plus 1, 6, 5 as it is. This 1 here, 7 and 13 6 are 78. Add this here, 7 plus 2, 9, 1 as it is. Add this 2 with 8 gives you 10 and this 4 as it is means 104. Add this 2 here, 9 plus 2 is 11, 7 as it is. 3 here, it means 10 plus 3, 13 and 0 as it is. So you see this is your 13 table. Let's see one more, the table of 14. Isn't it interesting and easy? Now again one table and 4 table. So if I write one table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So basically you need to memorize the table till 9 only. 4, 16, 20, then you have 24, then you have 28, 32, 36 and 40. So we will be using the same trick here. 14. Now next you have 28. Then you have to add this one here because you are getting two digit number, so becomes 42. Add this one here, 56. 5 plus 2, 7, 0 as it is. Then you add 6 plus 2, you get 8, 84. Add this 2 here, 7 plus 2, 9, 98. If you add it here, 8 plus 3, 11, 112. Now 9 plus 3 is 12, 6 as it is, 10 plus 4 is 14 and this 0 as it is, and you see your table of 14 is ready. So till the time you are getting single digit numbers, we just need to compile them, but when we are getting 2-digit numbers, we will add the tens place digit with the previous number. Let's do the table of 15. So again here one table and then the table of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the table of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and then 50. What we will be doing again? We will just write the digits 15 single digit numbers. Now you have to add it here. 2 plus 1 is 3, 30. Add it here. 3 plus 1, 4, 45. 4 plus 2, 6, 0 as it is. 5 plus 2, 7, this 5 as it is. 6 plus 3, 9, 0 as it is. 7 plus 3, 10, this 5 as it is. 8 plus 4, 12, 0 as it is. 7 plus 4, 11, 5 as it is. 10 plus 5, 15, 0 as it is. So this is how we have, this is 9 plus 4, 13 here. 135 and 150. So this is your table of 15. Let's see the table of 17. Again 1 and then 7. So we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then the table of 7 as 7, 21, 35, 7 6 are 42, 7 7 are 49, 56, 63 and then 70. Again we will do the same thing. 17 here. Now this 1 you have to add with this, which gives you 2 plus 1, 3 and 4 as it is. 3 plus 2 is 5, 1 as it is. 4 plus 2 is 6, 8 as it is. 5 plus 3, 8, 5 as it is. 6 plus 4, 10, 2 as it is. 7 plus 4, 11, 9 as it is. 8 plus 5, 13, 6 as it is. 9 plus 6, 15, 3 as it is. Then you have to add 7 here. 10 plus 7 is 17 and 0 as it is. So you see this is your table of 17. So this is one single trick. With the help of this trick you can write any table. I am just explaining you skipping 18 that you can try on your own. I am moving to the table of say 19. And then we will write tables for some big numbers. So 19 again the table of 1 and the table of 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is your table of 1. Now 9, 9 2s are 18, then 27, then you have 36, then you have 45, 54, 63, 72, 81 and 90. This is your 9 table. So let's begin with the table of 19. So this is 19. Then you have to add this one here, 38. Then add this 2 with 3, 57. Add this 3 with 4, of course 76. Add this 4 here, 95. 6 plus 5, 11. So gives you 114. 7 plus 6 is 13 and 3 as it is. Now 7 plus 8 is 15, 2 as it is. 8 plus 8 is 16 and plus 1 17, 1 as it is. 10 plus 9 is 19 and 0 as it is. So your 19 table is done. So this is how with the same trick you can write the table of any given number. There is another method to write the table of 19, which I am going to explain you with the table of 19 only. Okay. So what you have to do, you will be writing the odd numbers 1, 3, 5, then 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. So we have written the odd numbers here. Now from the other side, if you write from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is also your 9 table. So what I have done here, First we have written all the consecutive odd numbers, and then you have written the counting in the reverse order from 9 to 0, and your table of 19 is ready. So this was an alternative method for the table of 19. Now I will show you how you can write the table of the big numbers as well. So let's take the table of 31. Any random numbers I am taking, table of 31. So you have here 3 and 1. So it means we will write the table of 3 here, and we will write the table of 1 on this side, right? So write the table of 3, 3, 6, 9, then 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. Now write the table of 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Let's see the trick now. This is your one digit number, so you will write it as it is. Now this will also be like this, and this 93. Now here you have 12 and you have here 4. So what it is going to be, this side you have a single digit number, so this will be as it is 124. Now here 15, and this is again a single digit number, so this is going to be 155. Then you have 186, 217, then 248, 279. Here you have two digit number, so this one you have to add this side, which gives you 30 plus 1 is 31, 310. So again the same trick. Single digit numbers keep copying, and whenever you are having a double digit number, you have to add it with the previous digit. Let's see more examples. I will take, say, table of 41. So 4, 8, 12, 32, then you have 36 and 40. Now here table of 1, right? So this is going to be the same trick, in which you will write the numbers as 41. You have to combine these two numbers, gives you 41. Next will be 82. Then you have 123, 164, then 205. This is again 246, 287. Then you have 328, and then you have 369, and this one you will be adding here, which becomes 41, and then this 0 as it is. So this is your table of 41. It is so simple. We are using again and again, we are using the same trick. Let's take another number. Say if I want to write the table of 62. So we will use the same trick. No other trick. It's again we are going to use same table of 62. So it means you have to write the table of 6 on the left and the table of 2 on the right hand side. So let's begin with 6 table. 6, 12, 18, then you have 24, then 30, 36, 42, 48, then 6 nines are 54 and 60. Table of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. So this is how we have written the table. We will use the same trick here. If we are having one digit numbers, we will write them 6 and 2, 62. Next is 124. Then you have 186. Then you have 248. Now you have two digit number here, so this one we will add here. 30 plus 1 is 31, 0 as it is. This one we will be adding here, which gives me 37 and 2 as it is. And then this one we will add here, 42 plus 1, 43, this 4 as it is. Now 48 plus 1, 49, 6 as it is. 54 plus 1, 55, 8 as it is. This 2 we will add here, 60 plus 2 is 62 and 0 as it is. So see, we are able to write the table of 62 in less than 1 minute. And the trick remains same. If you will practice it, you will be able to write all the tables in a very short time. Let's take a very big number. If I want to write the table of 98. Table of 98. So we have to write the table of 9, and on the right hand side we will write the table of 8. So let's write it 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81 and 90. That's the table of 9. Now write the table of 8. 8, 16, 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72 and 80. Now again we will use the same trick. 9 and 8, 98 here. Then you are getting a 2-digit number, so add this 1 here. This becomes 1, 9 and 6 as it is. This 2 you have to add with 27, which gives you 29 and 4 as it is. This 3 to be added with 40, this number, how much you will get? 392 as it is. Then this 4 with this number, 45 plus 4 is 49 and this 0 as it is. Now 4 to be added with this, 54 plus 4 is 58 and this 8 as it is. Now 5, 63 plus 5 is 68, copy 6 as it is. Add 6 here, 72 plus 6 is 78, 4 as it is. Add 7 here, 81 plus 7 is 88, 2 as it is. Add this 8 with this number, 90 plus 8 is 98, 980. This is your table of 998. So with the same method, we can write any table. It's just when you are getting a single digit number, you will copy it as it is. When we are getting a 2-digit number, add it with the previous table. That's so simple. Isn't it easy trick? Please try all the numbers. I am sure you will love writing tables and very soon you will be able to do the dodging tables as well. In my next video, I'll teach you how you can do the dodging tables as well, and that's also very easy trick. Before that video, please practice this method. It is going to be very helpful with you in mathematics. Till then, take care. Bye bye everybody.